Good morning, guys. This profile pop-up is for Nushad. Now, this picture is a decent picture, black and white. You could talk about black and white or color, but you got a background image here. It's busy with like a bike mirror. It's not as professional as it could be. You're not looking at us. You're not smiling. You're not engaging with us. We don't want to necessarily engage with you because you're not engaging with us. So I would highly recommend getting a better picture. You could have a better background, or just pick a background actually. And notice the first thing someone might see and the only thing someone might see, that much of your headline. You got the picture, it's zoomed out, it's black and white, hard to tell, but your name, then you got a couple words, just 2 words of your headline. So what I want to show you is when you've got that headline, the whole thing there, take advantage of the 120 characters. It is huge. That might be the first thing people come right here then, if they actually click on your profile or tap on it on the phone. That's as much as they're going to see, right? So you want that to count. You have 120 characters, make them count. Maximize as much as you can. What about being a document controller or accountant makes you stand out? What do you offer us? That's what the heart of this is. That's what we're trying to do. Now, looking at the About section, you have 9 years experience, 5 in document controller, 4 as accountant. Okay, well, that kind of just told me what you have here, how much of what you have, but how good are you? Why should I, and then you have the word experience in caps. Why is that why is that in caps? Okay, so you're going to tell me, how many years you've done these things. Okay, well, if somebody knows exactly what the role is and they want someone who can do the role, they just need a body, it's a person that can do it, that might be good. That might be good, but it's not going to be great. It's not going to make you set yourself apart and stand out from the rest of the people. Now, I'm also not a big fan of attaching resumes or sending them around. Your activity, you only have 1 comment, and that tells me without even looking that you're not very active. So if I were a recruiter, I would be thinking, great, I may, contact this person and he's never going to get back to me. So you need to be more active, and that will draw people to your profile, and then they can see all the great things you're going to put in here. You still need to be putting more things in here. For example, in the past positions, you have no descriptions whatsoever of what you did. Then in this current job, all you have is a bunch of responsibilities, and it's really hard to read, and nothing stands out. Anyway, that's about as much as I want to say about that, but you've got a lot of things that you could add in here. I want to make sure these skills don't look like the top skills for the type of role you want. Make sure you've got your best skills shown here in the top 3, and you can add up to 50. Also, fix the URL and get rid of the competition. Anyway, I hope that helped. Short and sweet. Nushad, I hope this did, and let me know in the comments below. Thanks.